Step-by-step guide apply to Malaysia. Axiom offers professional guidance to the Bangladeshi students who are intended to study in Malaysia. We will be with you on each step from the initial general consultations to arriving in the country. We will review your academic, professional, financial circumstances along with your future study and career plan. According to your needs, we will assist you in selecting a suitable course, place of study and all other related issues. You will get proper guidance from us, which will fully comply with the updated visa requirements. Our dedicated and well-experienced counselors are always ready to assist you in every step, such as your first visit to our office, admission, visa procedure etc. until your departure to your desired destination. The typical procedure that you must take before starting your study in Malaysia is as follows. Step-by-step guide apply to Malaysia. Step 1. Attend a counseling session at Axiom. Select course and institute. Attend a counseling session at Axiom to find out your options relating to choose the courses and institutions aligned with your career plans. To explore more study options in Malaysia, get your free download guide. To meet your Axiom education advisor, get an appointment. Step 2. Register in Axiom. Register with Axiom to start the admission and visa process. We can help you navigate through the various processes and make studying overseas easier. Remember, all our services are free of charge. Step 3. Apply for admission. Once you have decided what and where you want to study, we will help you complete the application to the institutions of your choice. At the time of application for admission, you will be required to submit several documents including proof of previous academic qualifications and in most cases proof of your English language ability. Application checklist. 8 copies 35 mm 50 mm size, white background photo. Filled up the application form, Axiom provided you original and certified true copies of all academic qualifications, in English translation. Original and photocopy of passport with at least validity of 1 year, all pages including blank pages. Health examination and medical record. List of approved medical center. Original and photocopy of English language proficiency, if available, IELTS/TOEFL/PTE/TOEIC. Application pack will be sent to the university. The university may take up to 3 working days to send the email copy letter of acceptance, LO, eligibility letter, conditional offer letter, if eligible. Documents for submission may vary according to schools. It is best that you inquire directly with your Axiom education advisor for details. Step 4. Transfer the EMGS fees. Once you accept the offer, your education service provider, Institute of Higher Education, and will apply for your student pass on your behalf. You will need to transfer the visa processing fee at the same time as medical screening and immigration fees. You will also be required to go for a medical checkup in Bangladesh at EMGS-approved panel clinics. The results will be submitted to EMGS electronically and are part of the requirements for your visa application. Step 5. Receive Visa Approval Letter, VAL. Once your Visa Approval Letter, VAL, is approved, the next step is to pay the tuition fee. Most Malaysian institutions require you to pay the first year fee only. You can choose to pay this fee through either telegraphic transfer, TT, or direct debit, DD. Our Value-Added Services Department at Axiom can help you arrange either of these payment methods. Once the institutions have received and processed your tuition fee payment, they will courier to Axiom original offer letter and VAL. Once we have received this, we will notify you that it is now time to start the visa application process. NB. Students must also obtain the Visa Approval Letter, VAL, before entering Malaysia. Step 6. Apply for visa. Fill up the visa application form and submit it with passport and other relevant documents at High Commission of Malaysia to obtain a single entry permit. Axiom will keep you updated as to the progress of your application and take the hard work out of tracking your application by keeping in contact with the visa office on your behalf. Step 7. Plan your travel. Once you have obtained the single entry visa, at Axiom we can help you organize your travel arrangements to begin your new student life in Malaysia. Air ticketing, insurance, and foreign exchange can all be arranged through us to make studying overseas easier. Axiom makes sure that your education institution know of your travel plans, port of entry, airport, flight number, arrival date and time. At least 5 working days prior to your arrival in Malaysia. Kindly take note that you might need to be picked up by university's representative at the airport in order to obtain clearance from the immigration checkpoint. And B. Many institutions prefer students to arrive from Monday to Friday. After arrival at institute, within 2 weeks of the student's arrival, the educational institution submits the student's passport to the immigration department, which attaches the student pass sticker.
One-stop solution for worldwide admission, visa support, immigration and travel. Axiom, committed to your success.